Hello, Debbie here. Today I have an unboxing from a new to me discount company, and this discount company is called Diamondiy, and they did reach out to me, asked me if I would be interested, so I did choose one. They gave me an option of what I wanted, so I went ahead. I did take it out of this wrapper here just to make it easier because it was a pain to get out. But let's see what I have. We do have a toolkit in here. It's just your basic toolkit. I'll just show you that. And then we have a really cute, really good size. I'm going to put it like this, and then this is, and there's another toolkit there. Okay. So we have two toolkits. I'm just going to roll this backwards. Okay. Put this down some. Alright, so here is a canvas. I'm going to roll that so you can see a little bit better. Now, this does feel extremely flimsy, but I have to remember this is a discount company. The cost for this was $10.99 US, and they do have free shipping, it states on their website, and it took about a week to get here. It is extremely sticky, so that is a good thing. All of the symbols I can tell are really good and clear. Now this is, I'm going to try to get this on, fix this better. Now you can do this, you have to be really careful to make sure that you do put this back the way that the plastic is. So you don't want to do all of it at one time. That does help because it was very twisted. It's still kind of bad. And it is really flimsy on the plastic too. But let me show you the drills. I'm going to move this back one more time, see if we can't get this straighter. It's a 30 by 40 round. I thought it was really cute, and I thought that'd be perfect. It looks to me fallish. You can see at the top here, the leaves look rather fallish. We also have the cat overlooking the town there. And the town is, a lot of the buildings are orange. You can kind of look at the sky there. It has some orange tint. Here is what the thumbnail looks like. Again, it's really small, but it does look really pretty. There are 24 colors. We do not receive a sticker sheet, which is okay on this one in this instance because they are all letters. So that shouldn't be too difficult to put on my bottles. And then here are all of our colors. They are in individual baggies, still little baggies, so that's good. They do have the number of the schematic over here, and then it also will tell us it's a 40 by 50, gives us, I'm not sure what is 5A, 1134. I'm not sure. I think that is the DMC there. And this TK0726, that tells us that's the canvas in case we don't keep our canvas with our drills. This does not have a name showing on here. Doesn't even show the Diamondiy. So the only reason why I knew that is because I had it on my email. This does have a name. It is Winter something. I cannot remember the name of the full name of it, but I will put that underneath the description in case anyone is interested. But the color palette is here. I am going to work on a small section. Not sure if I'm going to work on the top or if I'm going to work on the bottom. But I'm going to do that, and I'm going to come back and give you my thoughts on this. So that way, if you're interested in a new budget company, then you can also check them out. Okay, so I put just a few drills on here. I did not want to put very many because I do not want to start another whip. I did not kit this up. I just used the baggies, and that's enough just for me to tell that I think I'm going to like this. Again, it is really thin. You have to be really careful, especially if you cut your plastic. Make sure you're super careful because the plastic is so thin that it could rip. There are not any special drills in this. I didn't think that there would be, especially due to the price. But I think for a discount company, I think this is a really good deal, especially if you just want to try diamond painting out for the first time, or if you don't want to spend that much money on a premium painting, and they can be very expensive, then this is another option. I just wanted to show you guys some options that are out there and not just premium. I can tell these are resin drills. They say they're resin, and there's not any static, so I'm loving that even more too. I don't see any that are going to give me any problems. None of the drills really look like they're trashy. I'm hoping that I can work on this within the next month or two, just to work on it alongside my larger canvases, but we'll see. But you'll definitely see this again before the end of the year. Maybe not finished, but maybe have some more drills on it, but time will tell. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.